everyone, I'm Seema Potrick. Welcome to my channel Natural and Spiritual Healing. Today my topic is what can I do to overcome my financial struggle? So I have shuffled two sets. Now you can choose from these two sets. This is set number 1 here and this is set number 2. So you can select either set number 1 or set number 2 and then we can see what is the answer, what you have to do for your financial struggle, to overcome your financial struggle. You can pause this video and take your time, close your eyes, think about this financial question and then select the set. If you have selected the first line, let's see what are the cards telling. Okay, see, the cards are clearly telling you that you are not at the right place. That is the reason you are going through so much of financial struggle in your life. You have to come out because you are at the wrong place or wrong business or wrong job. This is not the kind of job that suits you. You have to come out of it. You have to change that job or you have to change that business that you are currently working for. And it also tells me that there is a not lot of negativity around you regarding this particular job or particular business. So the guidance that you get from this card is leave that and change your job or change your business, because it is like you are born to do something else but you are in the wrong field completely. This field is not for you. For example, if you are a singer and you go in a dancing field, it does not go with you, right? Because you don't know how to dance. So similarly, you have to analyze that what you are capable of doing and then do the work. You can't just jump into a stock market. This is just for an example. If you don't know the ABCD of it, if you know that you are going to fall, because every field needs some talents. So right now your talent is something else. Pursue your talents. Recognize, analyze your own talents. Recognize your own self. Because you are not successful, there is a lot of negativity that you have created around yourself. You have to you have to judge your own self. Write down what you want to do in your life, what is your passion, because if you follow your passion, definitely you will come out of this financial struggles in your life. Even though there is so much of darkness, I can still see a ray of light for you. Listen to your heart and then follow your heart. Definitely, with this harmony, you use your heart and use your brain. With this harmony you can come out of this financial struggle for soon. So if you are stuck in any of the wrong business or job, the cards are clearly telling you that no, you will not, you will not come out of this financial struggle because you're in the wrong field. Do take it as a guidance for yourself and try to do something for it. We'll see the next card reading now. If you have selected card number 2, let's see what the card number 2 is telling. What is the guidance from card number 2? Okay. Okay, the card number 2 is clearly telling that whatever plans or projects or new job you are trying to enter, you have to do a postponement of it. Or if you are in some field right now, or if you are trying to utilize or create something more in that field, it is just a time for postponement for some time. Use more creativity in your current job. Because if you use more creativity, like suppose if you're selling a product, if you sell it creatively, even a smallest thing can sell. So you have to use a lot of creativity in your current job or profession, your business, and you will reach the new horizon. You have no limits and you can come out of this financial struggle as of now. But if you have any plans for right now, that you are going to expand your business, or you are going to jump to a new job, or any kind of such changes, the cards are clearly telling you not to do it right now. It's not the right time. So just postpone it for some time. And in your current business or your job, use your creativity, use your talents, and try to work on the current job or work that you are doing and improve upon it. So you will have new visions, you will have new growth, and you will reach the stars. Nothing can stop you. So as of now, don't change your job, don't go to another business, or don't expand your business, but just use your creativity in the current situation, and it will help you to come out of your financial struggles. I hope you like this card reading. If you like my readings, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.